Today I'm going to show you how to record directly from your effects board or mixer on any Zoom handheld recorder. This is the Zoom H1 Essential. Most of the Zoom recorders have a line in, and the size is going to be a 3.5 TRS cable. So we're going to start with that, and we're going to use different cable adapters depending on the equipment you want to record. Here's the Zoom H2 Essential line in, 3.5 right into the line in. Your Zoom H5, the 3.5 input is on the mic capsule. On the Zoom H6 Essentials, you're going to be using an XLR adapter. For the rest of the demo, I'm going to be showing it on an H4 Essential, which uses the 3.5 TRS line input. First, we're going to set up to record directly from your effects pedals to your Zoom recording device. We're going to be looking at a line 6. You're going to need a 3.5 TRS to 1/4 inch TRS adapter cable. The 1/4 inch end is going to go into the phone's output of your device, and the 3.5 is going to go into the line in of your recording device. The next device we're looking at is a Boss VE8. The Boss VE8 has a headphone output 3.5, and you'll just go the 3.5 from the Boss into the 3.5 of your recording device. And this is going to record however you have your VE8 set up for left and right. To record from the mixer, same thing. You're going to go out of the headphone output into the 3.5 of your recording device. We've got an Allen & Heath mixer. You're going to need a 3.5 TRS to 1/4 inch TRS. 1/4 inch TRS is going to go into the phone's output of the mixer, and then the 3.5 TRS is going to go into the line in for your recording device. And now we have a Soundcraft mixer. You're going to need a 3.5 TRS to a 1/4 inch TRS. You're going to plug the 1/4 inch TRS into the phone's output of your mixer, and the 3.5 TRS is going to be plugged into your recording device. Using the line input for your recording devices is a simple, easy way to record from your mixer, your effects pedal, anything that you have an adapter for. The one thing to remember, it's going to record in stereo. You're not going to have control over any of the tracks or channels. It's going to be a master mix. There you go. That's the fastest, easiest way to record directly from any device into your Zoom handheld recorder. Take care, have a great day, and I will see you next week.